Ka Sankardev College Shillong ka way nagijaka puli ka badan ka nongba next ka artare unai lor arja arpulai kala pernoi ka graduation day program hak auditorium jongkatai hi ka college. Hak negasngi UMP ka Rajya Sabha Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi ulalong kumukong san bat bola pelat ru ka kon major environment issues in Northeast India. Hakani ka program kabolong kum kadak ban pen ko buramya ki khana pule hadien bagila pendap ki jing pule ki khana samla pule ki dan hadu shispa san pusan ngut bat kila dan ru arngot ki samla jongani ka college ki bala yo ban bat ka position hapo ka top 10 rank ka samla ka men shisha thongni nakhasi department kala yo ban bat ka kerdan ka ban rio bat usamla hari lanong ubana statistics department ulalong balai ha ka top 10 Hagaju usngi lapon ko buram ru ya way na nonghikai but laingot ki non-teaching staff ki bla shakri palat ya ka arpsan snam hakate ka college. Haba jing kran hakade usngi na kalyang jo MP ka Rajya Sabha ulaong ka jing la ban khet yo so ka jing job haka jing pule kam long na ki khana shimet hindrai ka deru ka kam ka bau nonghikai udan banta kum ka jing IT la de haka ban ai jing start shaki.
College Shillong,
graduates of Sankardev Shillong,
hereby pledge that in thought, word and deed, we shall endeavor to use our education for the greater good of humanity, to act honestly and fairly, to uphold the dignity and integrity of any profession we shall be in. We pledge our faith and allegiance to the high principles, morals, and values of our institute.
When we look at here in the screen, the first came out was from darkness to light. When looking at the executive summary of the college, well, it is very true. Because why I'm seeing this, that within a year, as an evening college, the day shift was introduced. But the progress was so fast that it happened within a year. Well, the role of teachers, we cannot deny the fact, as like producing students who are to be stars of the society. This cannot be underestimated. Well, the teachers, in their role in shaping up young minds in the classroom, every teacher always give his or her level best for the future of a younger generation. And not only that, the future of a younger generation is the future of the society, is the future of the state. And well, we can just imagine the great sacrifice that the teachers have given, which is incomparable to any other service given to the society. And for this reason, I'm more proud to be a teacher than a member of parliament, frankly speaking. Member of parliament, we create laws. For teachers, why the department before was called Human Resources Development? It was developing human minds. That is far, far greater. Well, the felicitation of teaching and non-teaching staff with 25 years of service by the college Well, I thank the principal, I thank Shongthait College for due recognition given for their service. Know why I am saying this? Like what I said, I myself, I am part of the teaching fraternity. And we were traveling in the same, we may say, in the same bus as teachers. Well, teachers, the only thing which as teachers, which I don't know, this is my feeling, it may not be the feeling of everyone and everybody. Well, after a teacher have put on more than 30 years of valuable service, when they retire, it's very sad to say, they are left to fend for themselves. This is one thing which as a teacher, I feel very, very much hurt. After such service given to the society and the state as whole, I feel due recognition and respect should be given to the teachers, which I mean that the teachers should live a retired life with respect and dignity. I was just talking with the principal. I have gone to many colleges and I have told the principal, I said, when I look and listen to the achievement of students in every college, I think those old days which are saying that Shillong is the educational hub of the North, I think the whole state, one day, we will again regain back the glory. I will not say a lost glory, but the glory which we maintain. Well, today, for you, my dear students, you are presented with a citation as a result of your graduation, and well, for some of you, it is a presentation of academic award of excellence. Why? Because what Madam Principal has said and everybody has said,